Hi guys, welcome to or welcome back to Exposed, and if I'm welcoming you back and you like what you see, I'd love it if you subscribed and stayed. A lot of people have said that they don't know who Green Bean is and who was Green Bean when we mentioned Green Bean. This is Green Bean. It was a baby parrot that she killed. And this video is only 5 minutes long, so I thought I'd do this for those that think she's a wonderful pet owner. She ain't. I just read a comment down here and it's so annoying. Somebody said, "My heart just melted, so sweet. Thank you, Laurie, for loving animals so much." Really? And her reply, "I really, really do. I would have so many more if I could. A cat or a couple of cats, another dog or maybe 2 more dogs, a slow lorry, a micro pig, and maybe a sloth and a guinea pig and a ferret. I'm crazy." Yeah, we know you are. Anywho, this is Animal House. Need a name for new baby bird, yellow-sided green cheek conure, GCC.
We have a house full of animals now. We have a bunny and a birdie.
Oh, look at Bella looking for attention. Being totally fucking ignored because at this point Pom Pom's the golden child. Do you see a pattern, people? Can you see? Can you see the abuse that we keep talking about, that you like to turn a fucking blind eye to? Here it is in full fucking colour.
Pom Pom, your fur is so soft.
Oh, bless. When did you clean that cage last? And why are you letting her food sit on the bottom where all the shit is? Fuck's sake.
Snuggle with this. I gave him a little stuffed animal. Look, watch. Watch this. Look at that. Isn't that cute? He's snuggling with it. Yeah. But he's now, I just fed him. I'm calling it a he. I don't know why. Hi, baby. I don't know what his name is yet. Hi, baby bird. Oh, that's the water. You gotta drink that soon. That's right. Just jump off the edge. You are crazy.
Stop letting it jump off the edge then, dimwit. What happens if you're not paying attention one time? Fuck's sake. Why is she so fucking heavy-handed with everything? Can you see what she's... Ugh.
Like this, you like that, huh? I just fed him. This is his crop right there. That's his crop where the food goes in. He's grinding his teeth, and that means that he's content when they grind, not his teeth, his beak, when he grinds it back and forth. Oh, he wants to go sleepy after he just ate. How cute is that? Oh my.
So put him back in the cage and let him go to sleep.
Goodness. I might call him Runner, because watch, he keeps wanting to run to me, and he'll run right off my desk. See, watch this. Yeah. Not even feathered. See? No feathers. There's a few. Come. No, no, no. Come. Let's show how you can kiss Ari. Yes, you want to come to me, huh? Boo boo. Hey, look, baby. You want to cuddle? You want to cuddle? Oh my goodness, where are you going? Any more?
I want to know where she got him from and why she was allowed to have a bird this young. That she need.
Yummy, huh?
And why she thought it was a good idea to have 10 million Scentsy fucking warmers going with a bird in the house. And what did she say happened? Because I wasn't watching her when she had Green Bean. Did she say she just came home from work and he was dead? She shouldn't have any fucking animals. I'm sorry. How much food in that thing for a teeny tiny weeny little bird? She over fucking feeds everything. Do you remember when she had the guinea pigs and she kept trying to stuff food in their faces as well? Just because you want to eat constantly doesn't mean the animals need to. Poor little Green Bean. Yeah, this was when she was a fucking parrot expert, wasn't it? Such an expert, you killed him. Well, thanks for staying to the end if you did, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.